What's up, guys? It's me, boy Shushma Jerry. Now I am come with a moral story. So let's start. I want to listen a story. Once upon a time, there was a king in a country. One day that king had a serious problem in his eyes. Then he ordered his soldiers to call in a local doctor. After coming to his palace, the king told the local doctor, I had a serious problem in my eyes. Then the local doctor tested him and said the king that if you saw red things, so you will be come round. Then the king ordered all the soldiers that would turn everything into red things. After turning into red color, the king started coming round slowly. After coming round of the king, he called in the local doctor in his kingdom to give prize. As the local doctor put on white dress after coming in the kingdom, the king's soldiers poured red color on the doctor's dress. The local doctor said, what the matter is? No, sorry. The local doctor said, what the matter was? You turned everything into red. Your soldiers also turned my white dress into red. As you told me that everything to turn into red, otherwise I would come round. I turn everything into red. The king said that your soul. The king said that as you told me. The king said the local doctor that as you told me that everything to turn into red. Otherwise, I would come round. I turn everything into red. The local doctor said, Alice, you could see everything red. If you used a red glass, you needed have turned everything into red. So, the good lesson of the story is that when we see something wrong, we want to change everything. But this is the purification in us. So, the story, that is the moral of the story. That is the moral of the story, that when we see something wrong, we want to change